MP Karaja Sabha u Profesor Rakesh Sinha ulakular banbu daka sanitary pad vending machine ne jinon kam nam taka khui kasuba joki kanthei hapos nong kongthong East Khasi Hills District. U Profesor Sinha ulong basyan on sawan rano ya ketika machine kenang bagi kanthei jong ketika snong kinyo ban penon kam.
For our sisters and mothers, sanitary pad vending machine will be installed in Tongthong so that our sisters and mothers could get sanitary pad which is essentially used by them. This would help in cleanliness. So it will take hardly a week or 10 days it will be installed. 100 shoes for children I have brought, 200 is still in Delhi, we could not bring due to air services. We will send 200 for children's shoes for their use. Thank you.